Yo, what's up? Okay, right, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for doing whatever. This is another product review, okay? So I reviewed some thermals the other day, which are the world's greatest thermals, apparently warmest thermals. This time I'm going to do the Muc-off battery powered pressure washer. Now it comes with a little 40 volt, 250 megaamps battery, which just plugs straight into the back of the pressure washer here. So you got a little flappy bit, you just plug it in there. Okay, all the attachments here is quite easy to do. So you've got the hose, just clip it straight in there, like that. Okay, you've got all the attachments here. So this one will go on, straight in, lock up, lock and loaded, lining up, like that. Okay, this one just pops in here. It just pops in the back. There we go. So that's all connected now. What I'll do now is I'll fill the hopper up. Okay, so all it is, just open up that hopper. You pour the water in there. And what I normally have here is I normally have a Muc-off snow foam, but not today. Alright, I forgot to bring it. But what you do get with this pressure washer, it's about 250 quid. You get the normal pressure washer attachment, you get the bicycle one, which is that one there, and you get the motorcycle one, which is there, a little bit more powerful. Okay. I actually bought this one with the bag, so I got it for, it was on special offer, so I bought it with a bag, which you can put all your stuff in there as well. And to be honest, this pressure washer is absolutely amazing. So we've been out in a wet today, the bikes are filthy, I'll show you how bad the bikes are. So if you're looking around there, hang on, let's get some mud out there. So you see on my, I don't know if you can see it on the hand there, it's a bit filthy. Can you see down there? So it's all dirty there, that. So it's ideal for getting all that loose grime off. So you can see on an airfield, huge great airfield, no power or nothing here. So before I load up the van, I like to pressure wash the bikes off and make sure that they're a bit cleaner before I put them in the van. Now what I normally bring up here is a blower as well, so I can blow them dry, okay? But what I'll do, I'll get the pressure washer going now. Let's lift the camera up. To be honest, my videos aren't that great because I don't know how to edit or nothing like that, so it's one of those situations where you just have to live with me and go through the motions. So I'll put the camera there. Okay, I'm not exactly someone that edits. Don't know how to use computers. I struggle with emails, I struggle with text messages. So I'll turn it on. So what it'll do, I'll run the water through these hoses and that. It's got a fairly good, strong sort of pressure to it. I don't know if you see all the mud coming off, all the grit and grime, okay? So when it's down, the mud should get all that stuff off. I like the bikes to be fairly clean before I put them back in the van, to be honest with you. And just tidying them off a bit, keep them a bit more well maintained. It's on wheels so you can drag it around. Got a huge great hose to it. And if you keep on top of your bike, it's easier to keep them clean. The good thing with this battery pressure washer, like I said, it's a 40 volt battery and it's not too powerful, so it doesn't blow all the grease out of the bearings and everything. It just keeps it nice and clean, rinses it off, it's quite nice. It's a lot cleaner than it was. So yeah, with the pressure it's not going to blow holes in the radiator as well. Now, this pressure washer on a full charge, full tank in there as well, it will do 3 bikes plus half of my van, so it does last for a long time. But if I bring it over here, you can see the difference just on that. Look how clean that is now. Okay, so it rinses them off nicely. Now, with that Muc-off pressure washer, again, I'm not endorsed by any of these brands or anything like that. But I will say the Muc-off pressure washer is one of the best tools that I have bought. You know, if you live in a block of flats or you don't have the means to use a hose pipe and a lead travelling halfway across your yard or anything, the Muc-off pressure washer is the way to go. It's a top bit of kit. I even wear the Muc-off gloves. I do like the Muc-off products. I think they're fantastic products, especially the snow foams, the speed polishes, the degreasers and all that sort of stuff. I do highly recommend the Muc-off products. I do want one of their Muc-off blowers, see how we get on with one of them, because that would be ideal to blow all the stuff off the bikes at the moment, like the water and all that, and dry them off. Okay, so from me, Muc-off cordless pressure washer, it's a thumbs up. I've used several from your hardware stores, from your big sort of B&Qs, your screw fixes and all that sort of thing, home base, whatever you call it. I have used a lot of pressure washers and none of them have actually come up to the standard of this Muc-off pressure washer. All right, like I say, it's absolutely spot on. To be honest, I can't find a single thing I don't like about it. It's absolutely fantastic. Maybe it could come with a second battery, or the battery lasts a little bit longer, so I could do my whole van and 3 bikes, but you managed to do half a van and 3 bikes, which is good enough for me, to be honest with you up here. All right, so if you're looking for a cordless power pressure washer, even for Christmas is coming up at the moment, ideal Christmas present for your friends and family if they ride push bikes, motorbikes, or even for your car. All right, so from me, Muc-off pressure washer, absolutely top notch. All right, go get yourself one today. Like I say, there's no discount codes or anything like that because I don't work on that sort of stuff, any commissions or anything. But yeah, go check them out, they're fantastic. All right, until then, thumbs up, knees down. I'll see you on the next live. Cheers.